I just want to disable a couple of rules and actions, but they're linked throughout my life cycle. I keep finding rules and actions re-enabled, and it's breaking everything. It's breaking stuff. All right, anyone that has worked in workflow in OnBase has hit this scenario where they've just wanted to disable a certain section of logic that happens to be linked throughout. You could delete the logic, you could unlink it and rename it. Today, I'm going to show you a different way of doing it. We're going to use task lists to cure your disabling woes. We like wordplay here at Datum Evolve. All right, we're in Studio. I built out a small workflow just to demonstrate how this disabling works. So this is here in the processing queue. I've got this logic that I want to disable. I'm going down and I'm disabling it. I want to run these documents, test them out without these actions or these rules. But you can see, all right, now it's disabled it in my processing again queue. All I want is the rules and actions disabled in my processing queue. So I'm going to re-enable these. And now I'm going to create a task list. There's a lot of pressure in naming something. All right, I'm going to call it disable. And be very, very creative. So we have our task list. Now, it's a little buggy, so here's tip number 2. Usually what I do is I just add like a quick action to it. All right, I'm clicking Shift, selecting the rule, and now I'm moving it under the tasks list. Now I'm going to delete this test because we don't need it. Well, you can see now if I disable just the task list, and now we look here, and these rules and actions are still enabled. So it'll process through here. It will skip this task list and it'll just move on through. It might be a small trick, but it will save you time. Time that you could use to have another snack, or maybe a company sponsored nap or a real snack. This is what happens when you live in a house with children. This is all we have is bags of bad food. Barbecue flavored. I'll be honest with you. I don't really like barbecue chips. Maybe I'll do the nap. Nap time.